In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to make a SafePal software wallet. Let's download the SafePal app from an official source, then open the app. You'll be greeted with the message, SafePal, grow your wealth your way. We support both EVM and non-EVM compatible chains. We have a built-in swap and bridge service, and you can connect to multiple dApps on different chains. Get started. Before you start, let's set a security password. This password is used to unlock your wallet, approve transactions, and access your mnemonic phrase. Your password must contain 8 characters, letters, and numbers. Select I have read and accepted the terms when you're ready. Next. Now we need to create a pattern. This is used to unlock your phone when you start up the SafePal app. Please select something harder. This is just a test pattern. We do not recommend skipping this step. Congratulations, you're now ready to start your SafePal journey. Start. After creating all our passwords, we need to create or import a wallet. For this tutorial, we're going to create a software wallet. There are different options. Below are options to import your wallet if you created a wallet in the past and you like to recover it into your device. For this tutorial, we're going to create a new wallet. Enter your security password, confirm. Now let's generate our mnemonic phrase. This phrase is used to recover your wallet on any compatible device. Whoever holds the seed phrase has control of the whole wallet. Do not give it to anyone. Make sure you record this offline by writing it down on a piece of paper or having it in a SafePal cipher. Do not screenshot or copy it. Before we generate our seed phrase, let's go through the advanced settings. You have an option between 12 and 24 words. In this tutorial, we're going to show 12, but personally, I prefer a longer seed phrase. Below it, you have an optional feature called passphrase. It is an advanced security feature to create a hidden wallet under your seed phrase. When you create a passphrase under your wallet, you'll need both seed phrase and the passphrase to recover it. Therefore, if you're not familiar with this passphrase feature, we recommend not using it. Besides, the passphrase is totally different from the security password and the seed phrase you set within the SafePal app. Please don't confuse them together. Press generate when you're ready. We need to back up our seed phrase now. Please write it in the correct order. Do not skip this step, as you will not be able to recover your wallet in a different device if you do not record your seed phrase. Click next when you're ready. Now we need to verify our backup. Select verify when you're ready. Our seed phrase is in the wrong order. Please fix it to proceed. Select verify when you're ready. Your wallet is ready for use. Now let's name the wallet. Select confirm. Congratulations, you have successfully created a SafePal software wallet. You are welcome to explore and experience the powerful features of the SafePal wallet. Disclaimer. Everything you saw in this video was for testing purposes only. Do not give your seed phrase to anyone, do not share your passwords to anyone, and please secure everything offline in a safe location. We at SafePal do not store any of this information.